So, welcome back to the channel. This is part 4 of the bent laminated chair making series. This is probably the most fun part, where you get to see the whole chair come together. If you missed the other parts in the series where I made the moulds, I made the bent laminated seat and back, and also the compound curve rails, I'll add links to those videos in the description down below and also at the end of this video. I can't wait to show you what this chair looks like when all the parts come together. There's a lot going on in this video, so I'm going to stop talking and I hope you enjoy it. Filming. So that is it for part 4. I hope you like how the chair is coming along. There is one more thing to add on the chair, and that is an upholstered seat. I'm getting it outsourced because I want a professional job done. I don't want to ruin it with my bad upholstery. That's going to be in black leather to match the painted black strips I did on the outside. I think it's going to look really nice, and it's going to tie the whole thing together. It's my first time doing that black strip, you know, painted edge. Normally I lip an edge, but I think the paint really works well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I can't wait to show you the beauty shots of the chair once it's all done with the upholstered seat. That will be in my next video, which will be out in a couple of days. I would really appreciate it if you shared that video. It would really help out the channel. And talking about helping out the channel, I want to thank my patrons for supporting the channel and helping me upload 2 videos every single week. If you want to get involved and get early access to all the videos and a discount on my online Etsy store, all the information will be down below. So I hope you're enjoying this build series. There's only one more video left, and that will be out very soon. So if you're new to this channel and you enjoyed the video, feel free to subscribe, give it a like if you like the video, and comment down below what you think of the chair. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So thank you for sticking to the end of the video, and I'll see you in a couple of days for the last part, part 5.